welcome to this week, September 21st to 25th. I'll just do a brief overview of the week so you know what to expect for this week's assignments. So if we look at the weekly activity and assignment guide, you can find that through modules and by clicking on this week. If you look, the first thing I have here is an introduction to the cellular disease and disorder project that we're going to be working on. This project is going to take a period of about 4 weeks to do this. You have about 4 weeks to complete this. It's not due till Tuesday, October 20th. That's near the end of the first quarter. So in science, each quarter we're going to have a project that you guys are going to work on. This is the first quarter's project. And so what you're going to do, if you click on the project itself, it's going to take you to this. Here are the directions. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a poster. You're going to either use Microsoft Word or Canva to do so, and then these are the questions you're going to address in your poster, and you're going to have some pictures in there as well. So I'm going to talk more about this assignment a little bit later as well, but these two videos here will show you how to do that, how to make a Microsoft Word document or Canva, your choice on that. And you get to choose from these different diseases or disorders, cellular diseases or disorders. And if you find one that's not on this list that you really want to do your poster on, all you got to do is ask, and I will either approve it or deny it for you. Okay? So the next thing we have for our in-person day, we have a couple videos we're going to watch here this week. These two videos about the cell. You're going to watch these videos, and then you're going to complete this assignment. It's called 5 Things I Knew, 5 Things I Learned. And so if you click on this document right here, you're going to be able to pop open, and it's just a PDF document, and you're going to write down 5 things that you already knew about cells that the videos talked about, and then 5 things that you learned about cells that the videos talked about. Okay, so that's our in-person day. You're also going to have some work time for that in-person day as well. If we go down to our virtual days, we're going to be working on the book pages a little bit. So if you look, we have numbers 1 through 7 on pages 19 through 24. And then number 8 on page 25 and numbers 9 through 16 on pages 28 through 30. And so you're going to have those to work on what you do. You can get your book out, your actual physical textbook, work on those pages, and then come back to Canvas here and watch this video here and this video here. And those two videos will kind of go a little more in depth and explain that. You'll be able to correct your answers. There's no submission for these assignments. You do not need to submit them for a grade. It's really just for your benefit. When it comes time to take the test, I actually let you use your book on the test. So the more effort you put into these book pages, the easier that test will be later on. The second thing we have is a choice activity. You're going to choose one of these 2 labs to do. So if we look at these lab assignments here are the directions. As you open up the PDF document, there's going to be some websites that you have to go to. If you're on the iPad, it may be a little hard to click those PDF documents, the links to them, so I also put the links down here below. So I have the links down here below to those 2 assignments. So you get to choose one of these assignments. You just choose one. Don't do both. Don't do both. Just one of those. I will only take one of them for a grade. And then the last thing is you're going to go to Newsela. And if you go on the left side of your navigation bar, you're going to find the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Click on the Newsela tab. You're going to read the article about how a virus invades. There's the title of it. You're going to read that article. Then you're going to come back to Canvas and take the quiz. The quiz covers a couple questions over that article and then some questions over the material covered this week. Do the quiz last. That'll help you as you get all the other information. Do that quiz last. Okay? Like always, if you have any questions, please let me know.